see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your kitchen is also very spacious. See how spacious this master bedroom is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Alaya by Paradigm Realty located in Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual land parcel. You can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Before getting into all details of the project, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual entrance ramp of the project. And now let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, let me tell you, even before the completion of the construction, the project has its actual lobby ready. Let us enter and let me show you the actual lobby. And this over here is the actual lobby of the project, that is in the actual tower. You can see how spacious the lobby is. You have seating areas, you have reception, and how grand and luxury looking the lobby is. And now, in talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 10 acres that have 2 grand towers. Also, the project has 4.5 acres of shopping mall within the vicinity. And now, talking about Tower Alaya, it is of ground plus 40 story, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now, speaking of amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities that will include a lap pool, a kids play area, gym, indoor and outdoor games, and many more amenities within the project. Now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located off SP Road, Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai, from where Ram Mandir railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes walk. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 2 to 3 minutes drive. Goregaon West Metro Station is only at a distance of 400 meters. Also, you have schools, colleges, hospital and shopping mall within the vicinity of the project. And to know about more projects in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we will be starting the tour of the 3 BHK of the residential project Alaya. Before that, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual tower of the project, and this over here is the actual lobby. Now, let's enter the 3 BHK that is spread across the carpet area of 943 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living and dining is. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place a sofa, center table, and you can easily accommodate a gathering of 5 to 10 people at the very same time. And you can see over here we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. Also, you have space in this corner that you can design as per your choice. You can make a beautiful entertainment area. Moving forward, this apartment has a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. First, let's have a look on this side. Over here, first we have a kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. Along with the stainless steel sink, you can see your kitchen is also very spacious. You will also be getting a utility balcony attached to your kitchen where you can place your washing machine. Your utility space is also very spacious. And you can see you also have space provided to place your refrigerator. And opposite to your kitchen space is a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, on this side we have your first bedroom. As you enter, you can see your bedroom is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. Also, in this bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade that will give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And in this corner to the right of the entrance of your bedroom is the entrance to your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now let's move to the other side of this 3 BHK. As we move forward, over here, you have an extra utility space that can also be your second bedroom space, or you can customize a beautiful library, study, totally as per your choice. You can also make this your kids' bedroom. And opposite to this, you have another common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As you enter, you can see how spacious this master bedroom is. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobes. You will have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Again, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for beautiful standing balcony look and safety. And in this corner again, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Alaya. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Alaya by Paradigm Realty, located in Oshiwara, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.